Ever had a pressure washer that just doesn't live up to the hype? Weak spray, awkward design, and a total pain to move around. Yeah, me too. But today, we're reviewing a machine that promises to change the game. The Westinghouse ePX3500 electric pressure washer. They say it's compact, but packs a serious punch. They claim it can obliterate dirt with 2,500 psi of sheer power. But does it really deliver? Or is this just another overhyped gadget? In today's review, we will look at the Westinghouse ePX3500's features and performance, build quality, value for money, as well as its pros and cons. It delivers up to 2,500 psi and 1.76 gallons per minute, suitable for removing tough dirt and grime from various surfaces. Versatile nozzle set includes 5 quick connect nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, turbo and soap to accommodate various cleaning tasks. For testimonials and reviews from satisfied users, visit our affiliate link in the description. It features a 20 ounces soap tank for applying detergents, enhancing cleaning efficiency. It features a total stop system, which automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged, conserving energy and prolonging pump life. Most pressure washers fall into 2 camps: the bulky gas-powered types that require more maintenance than your car, and the weak electric models that barely clean your sneakers. The ePX3500 crushes that dilemma. It's all the power you need for 95% of household jobs without the noise, fumes, and backache. Sure, the 25-foot hose isn't ideal for pressure washing the Great Wall of China, but if you're cleaning your car, driveway, deck, or patio, this machine delivers. Discover the detailed features of this product by clicking on the link in the description. You'll be amazed by its unique features. Westinghouse has designed the ePX3500 with durability in mind. The Pro-style steel wand and nylon-braided hose enhance longevity, ensuring reliable performance over time. The compact frame and sturdy construction make it resistant to wear and tear, while the 360 degrees quick-lock wheels improve mobility. Furthermore, it is lightweight, making it easy to move around. Think about it. One pro-grade cleaning from a contractor can cost you $250 plus. Instead, with the Westinghouse ePX3500, you own the tool and clean on your time, your way, for your standards. Want to talk value? Skip the car wash, skip the handyman, skip the hassle, own the solution. If you're tired of wasting weekends, scrubbing grime the old-fashioned way, or worse, wasting money on weak pressure washers, then the Westinghouse ePX3500 is a no-brainer. It stands out as a powerful and user-friendly option for homeowners. Its robust performance, combined with a compact design and thoughtful features, makes it well-suited for a variety of outdoor cleaning tasks. While it has some limitations, such as hose length and soap tank capacity, its overall value and efficiency make it a compelling choice for residential use. If you want to reclaim your driveway, restore your patio, or just show the neighborhood you mean business, this is the pressure washer to get. To benefit from an exclusive discount, click on the link in the description and get this product at the best price.